Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how to use the command prompt to change date and time. So let's get started. To change time, just type time. Easy. It show you the current time and you can enter the new time. So I will set that to maybe 14, which is 2 p.m. and then 45, then 00. Hit enter. Now it tells you that you need to be admin. So let's go ahead and do that. Run as admin. Now let's do that again. Time. Enter the time. So 14:45, maybe 45 seconds. Why not? And now we are done. Let's go ahead and see the time again. Sorry, time. And here's the time. Now let's change the date. Now type date. And now you notice that you can now enter the date. And it takes the following format: month, day, year. Now date is correct. I don't want to change that, but for demonstration purposes, I will do that. So month, it will be 11. And day, maybe 08. And year 1999. Let's confirm. Here's November 1999. Let's fix that because of course that's wrong. And today's date is, we are October, which is 10, then 21, 2022. Let's confirm that. And here we are. It's Friday, October 21 or 21st of 2022. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.